Observe the this is the good morning everyone. This is the answer key of test 2, views and maps, and understand the concept properly. Observe the picture carefully and identify whether they show the top side and front view, top side and front view. As you can see, when you will see this laptop, so we are looking at from the top, we are looking from the top. Okay, so if this one is the, when the laptop we will open, so this one is the top of the laptop, and when we will open the laptop, so it will look like this. Colors. So this is the top view of your laptop. Then so we are going to take top view. Then a picture, it can be enlarged or reduced using different scales. Okay, so you can enlarge or reduce using different scales. You can picture can be enlarged or reduced, छोटा भी कर सकते, बड़ा भी कर सकते by using different schools. There are 4 different directions. Okay, 4 different: north, south, east, west. Increasing the size of an image while maintaining its shape is called magnification. Okay, when you will increase or minimize the increase the image without changing the shape is called magnification. Identify the take the view of the following object. So this is the side view of the bike. If you will see the front, it will only you will be able to see the face, and if you will see the top, you will be able to see the this seat and all this oil tank also. So this is the side view, so you are going to tick on the side view. Okay, then I have already told you, when we will look at the front view, it means that you will be able to look at the face. So identify the take the view following object. So you will, this is the front view of the elephant. Okay, the length of the road in papers 4 centimeter. Calculate the actual length of the road using different scales. Scale 1 centimeter is equals to 1 centimeter is equal to 5 meter. Okay, 5 meter is the question. So how you are going to do it? You are going to write like this: the length of the road in paper is 4 centimeter. Scale is given 1 centimeter is equals to 5 meter. The actual length of the road we have to find out. So 4 will multiply by 5, and the unit you have to write the right hand side of the scale, that is given the unit, so you have to write like that. So it is given in meters, so you have to write in meters. So the answer will be 20 meters. Okay, so you have to solve it and properly, then only you have to send the answer. Now the next one is, next question that you have is question number 8. Study the map and answer the questions. If you are walking on the Rajpath, then after India Gate, on which side would your children park would be? As you can say, he said that you are walking from Rajpath. So this one is Rajpath, and then you have already crossed this India Gate. So on which side you are having children park? So when you will be facing towards India Gate, what you can see, you will be able to see children park at the right side and in the west direction. So west and right will be the correct option. Then study the map and answer the following question. Name the place that lie in the south of India Gate. South of India Gate. So this is the north, this is east, this is west, this is east. So this is the south. So this is the south. So National Stadium is in the south. Okay, and Shahjahan Road is in the west, and this Kasturba Gandhi Marg is in the east, and this Rajpath is in the north. Raman drew a scale drawing of summer camp. The sand volleyball court is 3 centimeter wide in the drawing. So in papers, the length of the volleyball court is 3 centimeter. The actual volleyball court is of 9 meters. You have to find out the scale of the drawing. So how you are going to find out? The actual volleyball court length is 9 centimeter. Drawing length of the volleyball court is 3 centimeter. So scale would be 9 upon 3. So now the scale will be 1 centimeter is equal to 3 meters. Okay, 3 meters will be the length. So here we have to write meters. 1 centimeter is equals to 3 meter is the length of the view, because the actual length we always have to write the units, that always have to write the units, that is in the actual that the actual volleyball court length is. So we have to write that unit only. So we will write 3 meters is the correct answer. So this one is this one small answer key of test 2. I hope that you will be able to do views and map by yourself now. Please don't forget to read the knowledge nuggets and all the chapter properly. There are many fill in the blanks and 1 mark question in it. So read it properly and understand the concept properly, then only take your answers.